You don't notice it at first, the silence, the space. Then it hits you. Nothing is wasted here. No crowded counters, no drawers full of things nobody uses, just wood, glass, time. This kitchen wasn't organized to look good. It was organized to work, to feed families, to slow life down. This is not modern. This is older than trends. Welcome to Rustic Pantry. 1. Organization begins with belief, not furniture. In an Amish home, the kitchen is not organized because of shelves or containers. It is organized because of belief. A belief that excess slows life down, that clutter steals time, and that everything must earn its place. You walk into an Amish kitchen and you feel it instantly. Calm, purpose. No loud colors, no useless gadgets, just what is needed, nothing more. The organization comes from restraint, not clever hacks. They do not buy storage to fix clutter. They remove clutter to avoid storage. A quiet discipline lives here, one learned slowly, over years, over generations. 2. Open shelves that tell the whole story. Open shelves in Amish kitchens are honest, brutally honest. There is no hiding mess behind doors. Every plate, every bowl, every jar, it all sits there, visible, waiting. This changes behavior. You don't keep what you don't use because you must see it every day. Shelves are arranged with logic, not trends. Heavy items below, light ones above. Baking tools together, cooking tools together. Nothing fancy, just sense. When something breaks, it's replaced with another that will last longer. Not prettier, longer.
3. Pantry storage that feels like memory. The pantry in an Amish kitchen feels alive. Rows of glass jars, ceramic crocks, metal bins that have seen decades, flour, sugar, beans, cornmeal, all visible, all counted without counting. You don't run out by surprise, you see it coming. This is organization that talks back to you, quietly. No digital labels, no color coding, just placement, habit, routine. Sometimes handwritten labels, sometimes none at all, because everyone already knows what lives where.
4. The work table is the heart. Forget the modern island stuffed with drawers and wires. In an Amish kitchen, the work table rules. A big wooden surface, scarred, honest, used. This is where bread is kneaded, vegetables chopped, children sit, stories told. Organization circles around this table. Bowls underneath, baskets nearby, tools hanging close, nothing wasted, every step saved. You move less, you work more, efficient without trying to be. 5. Tools live where the hands expect them. Amish kitchens organize tools by muscle memory, not by Pinterest boards. If a spoon is used daily, it stays close. If a tool is seasonal, it leaves the room. Hanging racks hold pans, hooks hold ladles, drawers are shallow. Deep drawers hide things, so they avoid them. When you cook, your hands already know where to go. You don't think, you just move. That's the goal. Flow. 6. Empty counters are not a style choice. The empty countertops are not aesthetic. They are practical. Nothing lives there unless it works daily. A bread box, a utensil crock, maybe a butter keeper. That's it. Appliances are rare, sometimes none at all. The surface stays free, ready, easy to clean, easy to use. The lack of clutter makes the kitchen feel larger, quieter, like it can breathe. 7. Materials that age, not break. Plastic does not belong here. It cracks, it stains, it fails. Amish kitchens choose wood,
Glass, metal, stone, materials that forgive time. Drawers slide without fancy hardware. Baskets are woven thick. Shelves are solid. These storage pieces do not shout for attention. They simply do their job, year after year, sometimes longer than the people using them. 8. Seasonal tools come and go. Not everything stays all year. Canning tools leave when summer ends. Holiday bakeware disappears after winter. This rotation keeps the kitchen lean, focused. You only see what you need now. The rest waits patiently in storage rooms or cellars. When the season returns, so do the tools, like old friends.
9. Cleaning is the system. There's no big reorganization day, no declutter weekends. Cleaning happens daily, naturally. After every task, things go back, immediately. This habit does the organizing for them because disorder never has time to grow. Fewer items make this easier, less to manage, less to forget. Order becomes automatic.
10. Organization is taught by living it. Children learn organization without lessons. They watch, they help, they repeat. Every item has one home, always the same. This consistency builds respect for space, for tools, for work itself. The kitchen belongs to everyone, and everyone protects its order, not perfectly, but faithfully.
By now, you can feel it, the difference. Organization without pressure, order without perfection. An Amish kitchen doesn't chase beauty, beauty follows it. Every shelf has a reason, every jar has a story, and nothing stays unless it earns its place. If this way of living speaks to you, if slower feels better, you already belong here. This is Rustic Pantry.